If users don't understand the terms used in filters, it can be as damaging as not having the right filters in the first place. In fact, it was observed during testing that not fully understanding filter types and options led to both direct and indirect site abandonments. Let's explore how to make filters intuitive for everyone. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 433 of Baymard's original large-scale usability test findings. Always explain industry-specific filters. When users don't understand filter names, they're likely to avoid them, like this user on CB2. If they decide to go off-site to define the unknown term, there's a risk that they won't return. When users don't understand what a filter option means, they're likely to avoid using it, which can lead them to miss out on relevant products. Ambiguous filter types or unclear labels make users less likely to apply filters at all. By avoiding the filter option she didn't understand on Nike, this user could have included many unsuitable items in the product list. This could make finding suitable products more troublesome than necessary. Throughout testing, 3 approaches proved effective in reducing filter ambiguity. The best approach is to avoid industry jargon altogether, use clear, relatable terms that match what users are likely to search for and understand. For example, instead of using jargon like season rating, REI labels the filter as temperature. As a result, users looking to filter sleeping bags by warmth immediately found the right option. Sometimes industry jargon is unavoidable, and in those cases, it should be kept. But it's essential to explain it clearly so all users can understand. On Crutchfield, terms like RMS power channel, which may only be familiar to audio enthusiasts, are explained through tooltips triggered by tapping an icon, making the filter accessible to everyone. When filter types or options are visually driven, adding thumbnails next to the labels helps users understand them more easily. For example, on Raymore and Flanagan, visuals alongside the sofa back options make it much clearer what each type looks like, helping users make faster, more informed decisions. These were just a few highlights from our research findings. We offer much more in-depth guidance on optimizing your filtering experience with over 80 actionable guidelines available in our research catalog. To learn more, visit baymard.com/product.